Hi, I want to tell you about a new program we're offering called Door Number 4. The problem came about when I was talking to many of our clients about one thing, and it turned out they needed help or information about all kinds of little things. And they didn't know this information. And as I'm working with them on a project, I realized that there's all this level of information that small business owners don't have, that attorneys do have, and we need to be sharing with our clients. So I sat down, came up with an idea, and this is it. It's Door Number 4. It's all based on the fact that we understand that for small business owners, the law is very scary. It's intimidating, and there's so many rules, and there's so many danger zones that sometimes you just don't know what to do. Big businesses have big budgets and big resources, and they can hire attorneys whenever they want to help them. Small businesses are different. They don't always have the resources to spend when they need the information. So the two big concerns that we see from small business owners are, one, we always hear from them, I just want to do the right thing. I want to do it the right way. And number two, they just want to stay out of trouble. They want to keep smooth sailing. They don't want to have to deal with legal trouble. Because let's face it, legal trouble for small businesses is very bad indeed. No matter if a business is booming or if a business is struggling, when legal trouble comes around, it's incredibly stressful. There's so many resources that need to be spent on it, time and money that the small business owner doesn't have to waste on legal trouble. And so they know that they can avoid it in most cases, and they just don't know how. So how to get help is one of the big questions that we hear from small business owners is, how do I get legal help? Even if it's just a little thing, they want to know what to do. So right now they have three options, and this is what we're hearing from them. Number one is many times they just ignore it. They just ignore the problem. They hope it all goes away. They hope for the best, but it causes them stress because they know it's there. Number two, they go online and they try to do DIY. They look and they research. They figure out, does this apply to me? Is this not? Is this a good, reliable resource? Is this somebody who knows what they're talking about? But they never feel 100% confident that what they're reading online is accurate. And then number three, they could go hire an attorney, which some of them do. Some things they need to know, they just don't know what they need to know. They don't know what to ask. So even hiring an attorney sometimes and spending all that money, because it can be costly, one-on-one attorneys, costly time, they don't even know what to ask sometimes. So another option that we've created to try to fill this gap that we're seeing in small businesses is called option number 4. So you now have a fourth option. We call it Door Number 4 because we're opening the doors to knowledge and information that attorneys are usually the gatekeepers of. And we're trying to now share that information to help build better businesses, and business owners can make better business decisions. So Door Number 4 is attorney guided DIY. So it does mean that we're giving you information. We're arming you with the tools that you can go and do things yourself. It is applicable information, and I'll talk about that in just a minute. It's just for service professional firms, small firms, and it's reliable information. So it comes from an attorney. It comes from me, all my experience of being a business attorney for all the years that I've been practicing. And it's directed towards service professionals. Like I said, service professionals are smart people, educated, knowledgeable. They don't mind learning new information. In fact, you all enjoy learning new information. You understand that things can be complicated. And we want to show you through Door Number 4 all the rules that you need to know and all the information you need to have to be a better business owner, so you can sleep better at night. You understand that things are under control. You're heading off problems. You're taking steps towards more opportunities. But it is not law school. So don't think we're going to go too deep. We will not. What we're going to do is cover a level that you can do yourself. We call it the icing level. It is good business people can and should be doing this information yourself. This is not typically something that you would hire an attorney to do, but small business owners aren't doing it themselves because they just don't know that they need to be doing it. Or it's information that attorneys have, and unless you've had extensive interaction with attorneys, you just wouldn't know this information. So we're giving you all of this information to help you stay out of trouble. We're not going to go too deep. We're giving you tools and information to help you become better business owners. So as doing it yourself, what do you need to know? Number one, you need to know what to do. Number two, you need to know when you should do it. And number three, we're going to help you with how to get it done. So all this great access to information, we're giving you not only sessions, but we're giving you all kinds of support materials that'll help you get this done. So avoiding problems and then looking for opportunities, having the confidence to step into opportunities when they present themselves, gives you a better business. I hope you join us. If you'd like to learn more about how the whole program works, there's a free webinar you can register for. We go through everything in detail. If you're ready to join, follow the instructions to register below. And I so look forward to having you join us in door number 4.